Well, today we're doing a quick 1 minute reading on Moody Monday, and let's see what messages do the cards have for us. Confusion, anxiety, wanting to control how things play out, how things are supposed to happen, and I feel there is a need to accept things for the way they are. I see a lot of confusion. You're not really happy with the way things are in your life, and which is making you a lot anxious. Some of you are turning to vices, drinking, smoking, whatever, to almost self-soothe. But temperance is giving me a self-soothing energy here. Yeah, some of you have lost a few battles in your life, and it's causing you to feel hurt. Some of you, I think, seven of uh, cups is also a drinking card in one way, right? So I see some of you are self-soothing. Again, you may be drinking, smoking, doing something that you really shouldn't. So I tend to use stress eating as a coping mechanism. Sometimes I just lock myself. I don't really lock myself, but I don't really go out in public and stay in my room until I figure stuff out, and that usually doesn't happen for a few months. So yeah, some of you are doing engaging in habits which are not really good for you, and it's a coping mechanism for things that you're not really happy with. But you need to remember, I feel you may have an image, or maybe or an idea about another era which may have had a different life than yours, which is causing you a lot of frustration because things are not how they're supposed to be, right? And it happens with everyone. When we're not happy with the way things are, we usually um, um, over romanticize other people's life, over romanticize the older times when life was easier, but really life was not easier then either. Life is meant to be complicated. The complications we all deal with uh, are different, right? But at the same time, all of us are struggling with our own set of challenges. It's easy to imagine the comfort that other people have, or you think they have, right? It's easy to imagine them living a better life than you, because I think part of coping with stress is also feeling that you may be the only one struggling with this. So it almost becomes like self-criticism almost becomes self-soothing, because you blame yourself for things that are not really working out. We have two nines here, so something is definitely not working out in your life with the two nines, and this needs to end. Whatever habit you've picked up as a coping mechanism, whatever it is, whatever mode you've chosen to soothe yourself, to ignore your mission, ignore your vision, ignore what you want for yourself, and just lose yourself to misery and stress, it needs to be released. It needs to be released. It needs to be released. There's no other way to say it, because your guides want you to release expectations from your past, because the past cannot change. Your guides want you to release expectations from your present. There's no point in holding on to them, especially because you know that they're not being met right now. So instead of forcing yourself to feel the pain which you don't really need to feel, right? Forcing yourself to be in situations that you're not even comfortable with, just to um, cope, right, with stress, just to deal with things the best way you know how. I feel it's time to take your life in your own hands. It's time to take control. It's time to believe. It's time to allow yourself to feel. It's time to stop blaming life for doing whatever it did to you. It's time to just have faith. It's time to start by changing your own. We have three nines, very very interesting, right? At least two nines are there in the mix, right? So we have the nine of swords and the nine of wands, I believe. Yeah, two nines. So whatever coping mechanism you've been using, it's not really working out for you, and it's not going to work out for you anytime soon. So it's time to start believing in your own self. It's time to start believing. It's time to make some changes in your life, whatever those changes are. For some of you it's exercising more, for others of you it's changing your habits, your hobbies, changing the way you spend your time, changing your eating patterns, changing changing the people you surround yourself with, but it's time to make some major changes in life. It's time to identify what those are specifically for you. And once you do that, once you make these changes in your life, that's when you will release resistance to things that are not the way you want them to be, right? That once you release resistance, once you release your expectations, that's when really things, life will change for you. And until then, you need to know that so long as you're doing your best, everything's okay, everything's perfect the way it is, right? Even in the most imperfect, most chaotic situations, if you are doing your best, and if that's the best that can be done, it is good enough. It needs to be good enough. You can't continue blaming yourself for something that you have no control over. Please know that. Don't force your body, don't force your mind, don't force your soul to take on more than it can, because it's struggling. It's really struggling, and you need to step up. That's what I have for you today. We'll see what we have next week. Bye bye.